Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a TripAdvisor QR code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to your TripAdvisor business listing. So I'm just using this one here for this demonstration. Obviously, this isn't mine. So once we've got the inside of our listing, we want to copy that listing and just do a Google search for a QR code generator. Don't mind the spelling. Now we can click on any one of these top results. Now I'm going to use this one here, qrcode-monkeys.com. So this is a free QR code generator. Most of these generators are free as well. So yeah, you can use any one of the top results. Now from here, you want to put in your URL. So paste in that URL like so. Now we can turn on stats and stuff like that, but if you do turn on stats, you probably might need to sign up or use a paid plan. But if you just want a free QR code, just turn that off. We can set the colors here, so we can set the colors that you'd like to use, and then also background colors. So I might go like that. We can add your business logo, so go ahead and click on upload. So upload your business logo if you want to do that. We can also customize the design. And now on the right hand side, we can see the QR code. So we got low quality, high. I'm just going to keep that around the middle. Then from there, it's going to say create QR code. So I'm pretty certain, let's just double check here. Yep, got my URL. So I want to click on create QR code. Now here it is here. So we can go ahead and download that PNG. So your QR code is being generated. Please do not refresh or close the window. Now to check it out, you can scan that on the phone to double check that it's going to head to your business listing. Now, how do customers use this QR code? So what they do, they can open up the camera app on their smartphone, point it at the QR code, and then tap the notification that appears. Then they'll be taken to a TripAdvisor page where they can write a lovely review of your business.